A recent leak suggests AMD is poised to re-enter the high-end GPU market with a new Radeon GPU, potentially named the Radeon RX 10090 XT, to compete directly with Nvidia's upcoming flagship, the Nvidia RTX 6090. After focusing on mid-range GPUs, AMD's rumored return to high-end competition is detailed by leaker Moore's Law is Dead, MLID, who indicates the Radeon RX 10090 XT could feature 36 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, 154 compute units, and a 384-bit memory bus with a 380W power draw. Both anticipated to launch between 2026 and 2027, this development is expected to foster crucial competition in the high-end GPU sector, potentially offering consumers a viable alternative if AMD can maintain competitive pricing. MSI Gaming RTX 5070 17% off. Subscribe and share the video for more. Lisuan is a Chinese deep tech startup that recently launched its new 7G series GPUs, including the gaming-focused 7G106 and professional AI 7G105. Built on TSMC's 6nm process, these GPUs offer up to 24 TFLOPS FP32 performance, with the 7G106 sporting 12GB GDDR6 and the 7G105 24GB GDDR6 with ECC, both supporting DirectX 12 and other modern APIs. While unpriced, the 7G106 shows promising synthetic and gaming performance, reportedly matching or exceeding an RTX 4060 in some tests, and capable of running demanding games like Black Myth Wukong at 4K. Samples are expected in August, with mass production starting in September 2025. MSI Gaming RTX 5070 17% off. Subscribe and share the video for more.
AMD is actively engaging with customers to investigate the feasibility and applications of a discrete neural processing unit, NPU, as a dedicated accelerator for AI workloads in PCs. This initiative aligns with a broader industry trend where OEMs like Dell, Lenovo, and HP Inc. are also exploring discrete NPUs for AI, with Dell already implementing a Qualcomm NPU-based inference card in a new laptop. While a specific roadmap is not yet public, AMD is confident in its ability to rapidly develop such a product, potentially leveraging its existing AI engine technology acquired through Xilinx. This move underscores the industry's shift towards more energy-efficient NPU solutions for AI and machine learning tasks, recognizing that discrete NPU components are emerging alongside integrated ones. ASUS TUF Gaming F16 Gaming Laptop 19% off.
Subscribe and share the video for more. The AYANEO Next 2 is an upcoming flagship handheld gaming PC from AYANEO, set to launch in 2025. Its most notable feature is the powerful AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 Strix Halo APU, which combines 16 Zen 5 CPU cores with a potent Radeon 8060 Si GPU, 40 RDNA 3.5 CUs, expected to deliver performance comparable to a mobile RTX 4060-4070. The device is teased with a large, potentially 8-inch display, a robust dual-fan cooling system to handle the high-performance chip, a large built-in battery, and an impressive 4 M2 SSD slots for extensive storage. While pricing remains unannounced, the AYANEO Next 2 aims to redefine portable PC gaming with cutting-edge hardware and a focus on high frame rates in demanding AAA titles. ASUS TUF Gaming F16 Gaming Laptop 19% off. Subscribe and share the video for more.
Valve is reportedly developing a successor to its successful Steam Deck handheld, along with a separate home console that may be powered by AMD's forthcoming Zen 6 APU. The most notable rumor, however, is a potential collaboration with Sony to ensure that PlayStation titles are fully supported on the Steam Deck. This partnership would be a strategic move for Sony to gain a foothold in the native handheld gaming market, offering a powerful alternative to its streaming-only PlayStation Portal and fulfilling the demand for a true portable PlayStation device. If these reports prove true, it could signal a significant shift in the portable gaming landscape, bridging the gap between PC and console ecosystems. SDG Aubron Gaming PC 20% off.
Subscribe and share the video for more.
AYANEO has introduced a new sub-brand called KONKR, with the Pocket Fit as its first device aimed at providing flagship performance at a more accessible price point. The handheld is powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon G3X Gen 3 gaming platform and features a 6-inch 1920x1080 LCD screen with a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, a first for an Android handheld. It is also equipped with a large 8000 mAh battery, a custom Android software system for gaming, and premium controls including Hall effect joysticks and linear triggers. While the exact pricing and release date have yet to be announced, the device is positioned to be a serious competitor in the budget-friendly handheld market. ASUS VivoBook Go 15.6 17% off.
Subscribe and share the video for more.